Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to shuffle your Rubik's Cube. Like, I have two ways of shuffling a Rubik's Cube and solving them. Let's get started. The first one is that we're going to turn them here in the middle and here on top and do that 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oops, 7, 8. There we go. Now next is do that again, but this time 16 times. 1, whoa, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whoa, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that did not work. Whoa. Wait, let's do it again. Let's start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Done. I don't know what happened a while ago, but yeah. Next, you're gonna do this so turn the middle 2 times and then like 1, 2, then go to this and this, and this part is the one that I move, so move to this side and then go under that, and then 1, 2, and then do that again and then go under that, 1, 2. Now it's a pattern. Okay, wait, nope, it's not a pattern yet. So 1, 2. Okay, never mind. So yeah, it's like a pattern by now. So next you're gonna repeat the same thing. 1, 2, go to the side of that, go under. 1, 2, and go to the side, under. 1 and 2. See, done, solved. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, click the notification button, and yeah. Bye guys. Say bye. I said bye.